Hey guys, today I got a 2019 Lexus ES350. I'm going to show you how to put the electronic parking brake in maintenance mode to do rear brakes or any other repair necessary. There's two ways to do it. We can do it with a scan tool or manually from inside the vehicle. I'm going to show you the second. So first thing we need to do is turn the ignition to the on position. Press and hold the brake pedal. And this parking brake, we're gonna press it down 3 times and pull it up 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You'll see that on the dash, the park light will start flashing. So once that happens, we're gonna release the brake pedal, and the same parking brake button over here, we're gonna pull it and hold it till we start hearing that noise from the rear caliper. The noise started, that means it's going in maintenance mode. The caliper piston is retracting. Once the noise stops, let go of the brake button and then turn the ignition off, and you can continue with your repair. Once that repair is done, turn the ignition back on. The park light will still be flashing. You do not need to press the brake pedal. All you need to do is push that button till you start hearing the noise from the back caliper. The noise started. I'll let it go. The noise stopped and the park light stopped flashing. That means it's out of maintenance mode. You can confirm it by engaging parking brake, disengaging parking brake. So the parking brake is working fine. No lights are on. Just test drive your vehicle and you're all set, good to go. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, like, support, and subscribe.